to delete child Google account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google on your device and then search delete child Google account, which will open this page. Click on restore, remove, or delete your child's Google account. Then you'll find this kind of screen. In here, click on the same option with a blue rectangle shape, which is restore, remove, or delete your child's Google account. It will lead you to this page. Then press on sign in. After you click on sign in, you will need to sign in with your child's account by pressing on get started. After you sign in, you will be able to delete it easily. And this is how to delete child Google account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.